Hey gang, welcome back to OPA'S Diecast Restoration. Today, before we get started, I'd like to ask if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Today's vehicle is a 50s or 60s Tootsie Toy hot rod. Start by grinding down the burrs on the end, keeping the wheels on. Even though there's not much to these Tootsie Toys, I recently got another supply of them from my son and daughter-in-law. They found them at a flea market. I'm enjoying them more and more, especially after the batch I got from Big Charlie's Model Garage in his giveaway. Let's get this bad boy in the stripper. I said, let's get it in the stripper, dummy. There you go. Little shake for good luck. Get the axles cleaned up. They were pretty rusty. Get the wire wheel on the body after it came out of the stripper and had a little bath. Normally I'd put these on my bigger wire wheel, but it's down in OPA'S workshop. And my legs ain't up to it, making the trip too many times. This works out just fine, gets any residual paint off, gets a little shine on it. You can see it has a nice shine to it. Get it in for its mineral spirit bath. Now, time for a little rust prevention. Heat those axles up red hot. Dip them in some kind of oil. And bakes on a little coating. that doesn't wipe off and keeps the axles from rusting again. I use the vegetable oil now. Seems to work the best. There's a look at the coating that it bakes on or cooks on. Sorry for the poor lighting here on the primering and the painting. I'm still waiting to get my spray booth set up with the light and everything in it. Can't understand it. I moved my hobby shop up to the sun porch, and there's nothing but light out there, but for some reason anything far away gets kind of cloudy looking. Here I'm doing a little tire wash or wash, depending on where you're from. I use black Tester's paint and a little paint thinner to make my wash. I stick them over here to dry. Use the awkward camera movement. Zoom in, dummy. There you go. After they dried overnight, I dipped them in a little of the pledge and set them aside on the rack to dry. I use the vise to crimp the end when I put the axles and wheels back on. Here's what we started, a 50s or 60s, I guess 60s, Tootsie Toy hot rod, well played with, missing a lot of the paint. Here's what we ended up with. A lot of detail I put back in. Tootsie Toy hot rod. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. For now, this is OPA saying goodbye. I love that barrel gas tank on the back. before you ask, yes, it does roll.